Hello, my name is Noval Aziz, and now I want to speak about smoking on campus area. For me, smoking is a choice. If you want to, go ahead. If you don't, that's perfectly fine. However, smoking on campus area is highly undesirable because it can tarnish the reputation of the campus and the students themselves. If you want to smoke, don't smoke on campus area. Smoke at your home or in designated smoking areas.
Then now I want to explain about adverb of frequency. What is an adverb? According to the Cambridge Dictionary, an adverb is a helping word that functions to provide additional information about a verb, adjective, or adverb itself. Introducing adverbs of frequency. What is an adverb of frequency? An adverb of frequency is an adverb used to indicate how often an activity or event occurs. This adverb answers the question how often. Furthermore, this adverb is often used in sentence to, to provide further information about the frequency of an action. The two types of frequency. Definite adverbs of frequency. The definite adverb of frequency refers to a specific pattern in which an event occurs regularly and can be measured accurately in specific quantities. Some adverbs commonly used with this include every. Definite frequency use the word every to a regular pattern that occurs at fixed time intervals. Example include every day, every week, every month, and every year. Frequency numbers. Next, you can use adverbs that indicate frequency such as once, twice, three times, and so on. Specific time frequency. To describe a more specific regular, frequency, you can use adverbs of frequency such as hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly or annually. Indefinite adverb of frequency. Indefinite, as, indefinite adverbs of frequency provide a general description of how often an action occurs without specifying a specific time. However, this type of adverb of frequency can generally be estimated using a percentage, which is divided into several categories, namely 100% to 50%, 50% to 0%. Indefinite frequency scale 100% to 50%. In 100% percentage, using adverb always or Indonesian meaning selalu. In 90%, using adverb usually or Indonesian meaning biasanya. In 80%, using adverb normally or generally in Indonesian meaning biasanya or pada umumnya. In 70% using adverb often or frequently in Indonesian meaning sering or berulang kali. In 50% using adverb sometimes or Indonesian meaning kadang-kadang. Indefinite frequency scale 50% to 0%. In 30% using adverb occasionally or Indonesian meaning sesekali. In 10% using adverb seldom or rarely. In Indonesian meaning, jarang or hampir tidak pernah. In 5% using adverb hardly ever. In Indonesian meaning, hampir tidak pernah. In 0% using adverb never or Indonesian meaning tidak pernah. Comparison indefinite versus definite. In indefinite, always. Indefinite, every day. In indefinite, often. Indefinite, twice a week. In indefinite, sometimes. Indefinite, using once a month. In indefinite, using rarely. In indefinite, once a year. In indefinite, using never. Indefinite, using every weekend. Position of adverbs. To be versus other verbs. With to be, am, is, are, was, were, adverbs are placed after the verb to be. Example, I am always happy. She is usually on time. He was never late for class. The formula subject plus to be plus adverb of frequency plus complement. With other verbs, go, eat, play, study, the adverb is placed before the main verb. Example, I always eat breakfast. She often goes to, to the library. They sometimes play basketball. Formula subject plus adverb of frequency plus main verb plus complement. Using adverb in question. Use the pattern how often plus do or does plus subject plus verb. Dialog example A. How often do you play football? B. I usually play on weekends. Example of adverb of frequency in sentence. 1. Simple present tense. I always wake up early. They sometimes eat dinner outside. I never skip breakfast. Adverb of frequency, always, sometimes, never. With to be verbs, she is always cheerful. They are usually busy on Mondays. I am never late for class. Common mistake and tips. I go to school. Wrong. I always go to school. Right. She is usually drink coffee. Wrong. She usually drinks coffee. Right. Remember, adverb goes before the main verb, but after to be. Then we practice with the question. Question number one. She blah 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 goes to school on time. A always, B never, C. Rarely. The answer is A. Always. Always is be, placed before the main verb goes. So, she always goes to school on time. Question number 2. I am blah 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 late for class. A. Usually. B. Often. C. Always. The answer is C. Always. If there is to be am, the adverb is placed after that. So, I am always late for class. Question number 3. They blah 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 play football on weekends. A. Sometimes. B. Never. C. Every day. The answer is A. Sometimes. The sentence states a habit without a definite time, so it uses indefinite adverbs. Sometimes. So they sometimes play football on weekends. Summary and reflection. Adverbs of frequency indicate how often something happens. Adverbs always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, never. Position before the main verb after to be. Practice make perfect. That's the finish. Thank you. I hope I hope this is useful for everyone.